Hello guys, we today look Skoda Enyaq IV all-electric SUV on cards for India upcoming 2023. Skoda is planning to bring the Enyaq IV all-electric SUV to India sometime in 2023, most likely via the CKD route. It is estimated to be priced around Rs 35 lakh to 60 lakh. Skoda Enyaq IV on cards for India. While Schaefer refused to comment on the prospective launch of the Enyaq IV in India, saying it's a bit too early to announce anything, he did confirm that Skoda will probably bring in some Enyaqs next year to test the Indian market, see how the cars perform here and get some more intelligence on it. The Enyaq IV is available globally with 3 battery capacities, ranging from 55 to 82 kWh, rear or 4-wheel drive, with power output of 148 to 265 horsepower, and a 306 horsepower RS performance variant. Depending on the version, driving range is a claimed 340 to 510 kilometers on a single charge. In India, Skoda could be offering the 2-wheel drive version with the smaller battery options, as it would help position the Enyaq IV more affordably in the market. Though EV sales are still minuscule compared to the overall passenger vehicle sales in the country, they have been gaining momentum of late. This is evident from the fact that electric passenger vehicle sales in India in the first half of FY 2023, April-September. Skoda's EV is expected to be launched by January 2023. Thank you for watching.